Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today in this video we are going to learn a very important activity of maths, or we can say this activity is related to algebra. What is the activity? To verify the following identity. What identity? Identity is that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b by cutting and pasting, or we can say that we are proving this identity by geometric presentation. And what is the objective of this learning or of this activity? To understand the geometric proof of given algebraic identity. And what should be the previous knowledge? You must know the algebraic identities. As you know, what are the algebraic identities? And here our algebraic identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And second thing is area of the square. As you know, the area of the square is the square of the side. Okay. And area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is L into B, length into breadth. Now material requires color sheet of paper. If you don't have the color sheet of paper, you can take the white paper, a ruler, a pencil, fabric and a sketch pen. Now we start the procedure. Firstly, we take a sheet of paper and now we remove a square of side A from this sheet. Okay, so this we have already draw a square, okay, of side A. What is the side of this A? Now I will cut it. Now students, you can see I have cut this. Now we will remove another smaller square. Okay, this was the largest square. Now we will cut another small square of side B from one corner of this original square. Okay, now I will cut another square and the side of this square is B. We will consider side B. Okay, this is B and this will be also, we can say this will be also B. Now we remove this another square. Okay, so now I have removed this another square, and now the remaining piece of our original square, I cut this into two rectangles. How I will cut it into two rectangles? From here I will cut it into two rectangles. See here. Okay, now one rectangle will be this and second rectangle will be this. Now I cut this. Now you can see I got two rectangle, one rectangle and second rectangle, and I can write this is our first rectangle and this is our second rectangle. Now here the most important thing that we have to understand what will be the length of these two, length and breadth of these two rectangles. What are the dimensions of these two rectangles? So look here students very carefully. So the length of this rectangle is A. Okay, but the breadth, what is the breadth? Breadth will be A minus B, because this was the A. Okay, this whole length was A, but I have cut here B. Okay, this was B, this is also B, so I remove this B from here. So what will be the breadth? Breadth will be the A minus B. Okay, so I am writing here the length of this first rectangle is L is equal to A and the breadth B is equal to A and minus B. Clear? Okay, now we will consider the length and breadth of this second rectangle. Now see the length of this rectangle. What is the length of this rectangle? This is the length of this rectangle. And what is the length? Because the whole length was A. Okay, and we have cut B from here. So what is the length? A and minus B. Okay, so length is equal to A minus B. And what is the breadth? Breadth is the B. Okay, this was the B, this is also B. So here breadth is equal to B. Now we will paste these rectangles, okay, together. Now I am pasting these rectangles. here. Now after putting these two rectangles together, we got another new rectangle, and now we will consider the length and breadth of this rectangle. Okay, so now the length of our new rectangle, L of new rectangle. What is the length of this new rectangle? You can see, students, here this is A. Okay, this was A, and what is this? This is B. This was B. Okay, so the length will be A plus B. And what is the breadth? This is the breadth. Breadth is A minus B. Here A minus B, and here we can also this A minus B. So the breadth B, I can also I am writing B only. So the breadth of new rectangle is equal to A minus B. Okay, now the most important thing here, that the area of this rectangle. Okay, area of the new rectangle. So area of the new rectangle is equal to these two rectangles we got after removing a square. Okay, see, students, here you can see this was our original square, okay, whose side was A. Okay, and we have removed another square of side B. Okay, so now we got these two rectangle from this square here, the portion of this square. So what will be the area of this square? It will be A square or minus this area. What is this area? B square. Okay, so we can say the area of these two rectangles is equal to the area of the original square after removing the smaller square. Okay, so here we are writing A square minus B square. Now we are solving the question of this activity. Number 1 question, the length of the new rectangle so formed. So what was the length? The length A plus B, and what is the breadth? Breadth of the new rectangle A minus B. So here we can write the length is A plus B and the breadth is A minus B, and the area of new rectangle, what was the area of new rectangle? A plus B into A minus B. I have form of the new rectangle is, so thus A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So here we can conclude that difference of square of two positive numbers, the two positive number means A and B, is given by A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Thank you.